Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in Creo Parametric. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to do variable section sweep. First go to the software, new, part solid, provide a name and tick this use default template, say OK. Our units are in mm, so I am going to use mm Newton part solid absolute, say OK. I am just switching on all the planes and the axis. So I am just taking a front plane, sketch view. In this tutorial, we are going to learn this sweep feature. Okay. So to do the sweep feature, first to draw the profile. So select the front plane, sketch view. In this tutorial, I am going to take this plane. Here you can see the section. This one is the section. Similarly, the same line I am going to mirror it. Select this line, mirror, select this axis. I have mirrored this axis. Now just put the one more line here. Now just say OK. Now I have created these three lines. To do the variable section, now just go to the sweep. First select the center line. We can change the starting point as already we have learned the sweep feature. I'm just changing this to here or to here also by clicking this arrow button. Now draw the sketch cross section, sketch view. Now take the circle. Just say OK. Here it has selected only one line. To go for the variable section, press the Ctrl and select the multiple line. Automatically here you can see constant section is changed to the variable section. Now select this one. First one is the origin, the remaining are chain 1 and chain 2. Automatically it will change this to the variable section. Now just go to the sketch view. Now we just want to draw the circle. This is the point. I have created a circle here. This is the cross section. I just want to sweep it. Just say OK. Here you can see that there are different sections. So the variable section sweep is done with by use of origin and different chains. We can do the variable section. So here we can change this into a surface also. Now you can see only the surface. If you want to give some thickness, go to the solid, thickness sketch. Here we just provide thickness of 10. Like this also we can modify it. So this is the way we just want to do the variable section. Go sweep, edit. Here solid. Just click it here. You will get the solid out. Press the roller to confirm. This is the way we can do the variable section sweep in Creo Parametric. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.